So this is the box call. You have a lid, which is also your striker, and then the box call is going to have hollow compartments with rises. What you want to do to prep your box call is you're going to actually chalk this lid. And then you don't have to use a rubber band, but I can show you a couple things that you can do if you use a rubber band. The bottom of this box call has a groove for your rubber band. And then for a yelp, and you have a cut, which is just a simple and then you can also gobble on a box call. And the way you do that is you rotate it, and you have to have a rubber band on for this, but once you rotate it you can shake it, which will give you a gobble. The way to do it without a rubber band is to take it, hold it with your fingers, and then just go very easy. The simplest, you'll get the best sound, the most sound. They make box calls that can be used in wet conditions if it's raining with certain kinds of chalk, but this is very easy to pick up and get different tones from. This is good for kids to get into the habit of calling. By far the easiest. And it's always fun to gobble with. This particular one has a nice spot that your chalk can go into.